Welcome back to Rev'N Garage. I'm David, and I hope everyone has had a wonderful New Year's. Today, our project we're going to be tackling is going to be my son's 2019 Nissan Frontier. He has a little bit of a gremlin going on with his license plate lights. Now, his license plate lights, I don't think it's going to be anything crazy. I think it'll be something as simple as maybe a ground. I don't think we're going to have to trace it all the way up in the harness, but I'll go ahead and walk you through kind of what's going on. So my son has a license plate light that is actually flickering as he is driving down the road in the night times. One of them currently doesn't work. I don't think it's the bulbs whatsoever. I think he has a small electrical gremlin, and I hope it's going to be something as simple as possibly just a ground wire. So I'm going to take you through the troubleshooting that will help you possibly that has a simple wiring issue, a gremlin going around, and the tools needed to actually fix these items. Okay, we're in the garage, and basically we're coming in here to grab a few tools that will help us diagnose the license plate lights on his truck. The tool that we're going to be using mostly today is going to be a multimeter. Now, a multimeter is a very inexpensive tool. You can get them at Harbor Freight. You can order them offline, off Amazon. You can get them really about anywhere anymore. We're going to be dealing with two main functions on the multimeter. The first function is going to be continuity. Now, the continuity side of it is where you can take both leads, and whenever you push them together, it's going to make a tone. That tone indicates that you do not have a break in the wire. And the other function that we're going to be using is going to be the 20 volt emblem on it. So you'll be able to see if we are in fact getting power to the lights in the first place. That's going to be the first step that we're going to be looking at. I am going to demonstrate how to test for continuity, just to kind of give you an idea of what the sound is that you're listening for. So I will get it set up and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I have the voltmeter set up and I have the leads ready to go. Now, as you can see, for continuity, you're going to have this little, basically an arrow and also what appears to be a volume control emblem. That's going to be your continuity. And basically what we're going to be doing is you take your red lead, and whenever it touches the black lead, it makes this tone. That basically is going to tell us that the wire is together. It's not broken. Now, if we don't have that tone, that indicates that we are not making a good ground, that we do not have a solid wire. It could be broken somewhere in its system. So we're going to go ahead and take the multi-tool, get back out to the truck, and try to figure out what's going on. Okay, I got the light to repeat itself. It is currently strobing, and as we can see, this one here is off. So it's an indication we do have power back here, but we're just going to have to see kind of what is taking place. Okay, so from underneath of the truck, right here is our license plate light. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach up in here. It just takes a little twist and it pulls out. Now, looking at this, we can automatically see that it has a set of aftermarket lights in it. And we do have power to the other side, as I showed you in the previous cut. So we're going to go ahead and diagnose now, see what's going on. Okay, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and just remove the bulb from the socket. As you can see, this is an aftermarket LED bulb. Some of these are good quality, some of them are not. But what we're needing to do first is just find out, do we have power from the circuit up at the front to the back? So I've got the power wire plugged into the socket. We'll go ahead and get the multimeter. We'll be able to read and see, do we have power? Right there, we have 11.32. That's an indication to me that we do have power back here. We do have a ground back here. And to me, this is going to indicate a bad bulb. It is a new day, and we had to go get some lights, and also we're going to go ahead and plug them into this plug to make sure that this will fix the license plate lights that we are dealing with. We should have some instant power since I already do have the lights turned on. All right, now we should be able to go ahead and start to put these back up and inside, and this will finish our job. We're back from underneath the truck, and now we're going to look to see if he does have lights for his truck. Simple diagnosis using the continuity as well as a 20 volt. We were able to see if he did have power to the back. With having the power to the back, we knew instantly that all he needed was a new set of lights. So I hope this helps everyone out, and please like, share, and subscribe.